First of all, congratulations on your purchase of what I believe to be the best bag system on the market made for the Jeep Wrangler. I'm David Mays, designer of the Sidestasher bag system, and thanks for trusting me, a small business owner, with your hard-earned dollars. In this video, I'm going to show you the very simple steps to install your bag system to enjoy for years to come. First step is remove the two front OEM bolts on the rear of the hardtop that secure the hardtop to the frame. Place these bolts in a safe location, as we're going to use these shortly. Next, review the mounting plate that is already located in the bag. You're going to see two sets of holes, both slotted, and those allow for the difference in hole position between the JKU and the JLU. The outside set of holes is in the event that you have the Rhino rack installed with the vertical support bars that require the bags to sit a bit further in to avoid interfering with the mount points of the Rhino kit. If you don't have the Rhino kit, then utilize the inner holes. To aid in installation, first install the bag to the roll bar using the cam buckles provided. Now the top two cams install as expected, with the third being careful to route the seatbelt through the opening like this. Now the bags will suspend from the roll bar, making it a lot easier for the installation of the bottom portion. Now, secure the lower portion of the bag to the hardtop using the just removed OEM bolts. Place the plate back in the bag, ensuring the holes are toward the outside and that the notch in the plate that allows for room for the thicker leather seats is positioned toward the front of the vehicle. Install the OEM bolts by going through the plate, then through the provided holes in the bottom of the bag, and finally hand tightening them to the frame they were just removed from. Once both bolts are finger started, you're ready to tighten the bolts back down, securing both the bag and the hardtop. That's it. You now have secure storage ready for every adventure. Thanks again for your purchase, and until next time.